Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is TOPgdrainer right here. So today we're going to be talking about the different ways hackers can drive traffic to their drainer websites. I'm going to talk about a few of the methods, which are emails, fake token airdrops, Twitter Blue. I'm also going to make mention of some low budget ones like Mass DMS if you want to learn about more premium methods. And also work for TOPG, contact me on my official Telegram TOPgdrainer, no spaces in between. Be careful of fakes. So let's get to it. This is an example of an email scandal carried out in February 22nd. It reads, "Hey everyone, I connected with a few other people who got hacked right now. You can see the Etherscan link. The hacker was able to drain a reasonable amount." So how this works is the hacker buys premium leads off someone containing OpenSea users database. This particular hack was timed perfectly when there was a recent data breach for OpenSea users' email. If you want to get more methods and deeper insights on how drainers work and their scripts, hit me up at TOPgdrainer on Telegram. Taking a look at this, you can see that this isn't conspicuous at all. It doesn't stand out. Just like the usual mail you would receive and see email asking them to migrate their OpenSea listings. Whenever they click this, they get redirected to a fake OpenSea page or link where they are drained of all their tokens. If we look at the Etherscan link, we see all the non-fungible tokens that were taken. This hacker tailored this message specifically for this audience, and he went solely for Thea non-fungible tokens. Here we have some Azukis in here, the currency. Let's open up Azuki real quick. So for this kind of scam to work, the hacker has to get any notable crypto platforms users' email like Binance, CoinMarket. It could be whatever crypto-related emails, and he tailors his email accordingly to his audience. This is mainly a team job because the original person with the idea won't always be the individual who sends it out. You see a lot of comments on this, telling him he must have interacted with a website even though he claimed not to. Let's get to the second method, which is fake non-fungible airdrops. These can be seen anywhere and used to be a good method initially, but not anymore. Let's open up this wallet over here. Although these are low-level airdrops, meaning they've not been verified, so most times they end up in the hidden folder. Let's head over to the Bored Ape contract real quick. Let's get an idea of how this works. How this works is a fake token is made. It could be any name like Uniswap v3 tokens or maybe some Arbitrum token. Now the hackers just goes to Etherscan. You see here we can see all wallets currently holding or buying the Bored Apes. Now the hacker sends these tokens to a list of high-profile wallet addresses, hoping they're gonna interact one way or the other in their wallets or OpenSea profiles. They are more advanced ways to do this though. These are just low-level methods. You see most of these ending up on spam, maybe due to the hacker not minting these tokens or sending it on a different chain. A variety of reasons. Like I said, Top got the more premium methods available. If you want to learn how that works, hit me up. When these tokens are sent, this how they look. So obviously they know this wallet may have interacted with ends names or a particular non-fungible token. So this looks like we currently have this non-fungible tokens when it is not there. When they click this, they are then redirected to a different website. Sometimes the tokens might be named after the actual website. The tokens may be named literally Binance.io, and some people actually end up typing the URL into a search bar. So we gotta watch out for this. So that concludes that. Next I'll talk about Mass DMS. In this case, someone makes a fake write-up and spams you on Telegram. A hacker can make a fake channel and scrape a lot of members into this group. Could be something like this. "Hey, you're eligible for this free token," and some people actually run and click this. This is low-level entry though. It's saturated and most people do it already. The next method is a fake Twitter Blue account. With Elon Musk taking charge, there've been a lot of vulnerabilities, and we can literally clone an influencer and pretend to them. Let's quickly make a search on Elon Musk if we'll see some fakes. Couldn't find anything reasonable because obviously no one is gonna believe Elon Musk messages them. But mostly they'll target some mid to high level influencers. Well, that's all for today guys. If you want to learn more about this, see the drainer scripts, hit me up on my Telegram. Make sure you're hitting up the real Top G. You get me when you literally type in TOPgdrainer, no spaces. Have a good day.